Hi again. So, I bought 2 lawnmowers at our local flea market just across the road. This is one of them, and there's a very specific reason why I'm starting with this one, and that is it was the closest one to the entrance down in the shed when I had to bring one of them up here. So, let's start with this one. It's a major produced by Stiga. What is... yeah. Maybe that's going somewhere. Looks like it's been sitting outside a part of its life. It's got a Briggs and Stratton. And this one is backwards. The spark plug is facing backwards. So, yeah, we'll do the normal routine. Check fluids and check for spark. And see if we can get it running. The guy responsible for the pile of equipment at the flea market said that it runs. But yeah, we'll see about that. Yeah, we'll do the normal routine. Check spark, check fluid, as I said. So let's get going. All the stickers are just faded. You cannot read anything. Nothing. Yeah, I cannot see it anyways. If I have to guess its age, I would guess that it's from the mid-90s. Mainly because I think I remember myself running around with one of these when I was a kid. The tank actually looks nice and clean inside, and it's got what I assume is gasoline in there. Yeah, it's backwards oil. Nice to know. Thread in to check. Okay, let me just get a piece of paper and check the oil. Actually, I think it's right on the money. It feels good, but smells of gasoline. So let's check for spark now. Looks very wet. bit oily, not too much. So let's check the spark. I believe the kill switch is when you put the throttle back, you activate a kill down here. So I don't know if if I kill the light, maybe we can see. We are looking right there. I thought I saw a spark before. Yeah. The engine turns over freely, but this is a bit growly on the return. Well, I guess we just gotta see if it runs. We know it got spark and it's got some resemblance of fuel. So yeah, let's check for running. Let's check if it runs. Maybe we'll have to check the carb. Maybe we'll have to check the carb. Is that a choke? Could be. Well, let me mess around with this a little bit, and then I'll bring you back. So I just poked around a little bit, and this spring was, yeah, I don't know, this is the throttle, and it wasn't moving when I moved the handle, and then I touched that spring, and now it's giving throttle. So maybe it wasn't getting throttle before. Yeah, sorry about the noise, but it's just pouring rain outside. Danish summer when it's the best. So I guess we're gonna try to start it up in here, and then I hope the kill switch works. fuel level is too low. The carburetor on this type of engine is mounted directly on the fuel tank, and with a pickup tube that picks up directly from the tank. And down in the tank there's a space that's acting like the ball for the carburetor, and if the fuel level in the tank is not high enough, then it's not getting fuel. And when I pulled the cord, I saw that this was moving, so this is working. Choke, I think. So then I put a little bit of gas in it, and then we'll try again. Yeah, well, that should be plenty enough. Now, let's try again. Are we still recording? Yes. Wow! One pull, and that was it. And it purrs like a kitten. It's a bit smoky. And it smells a lot of burnt oil, but I have it tipped. And the shutoff works. I had it tipped on its side to look at the blade, so maybe that's just oil burning off in the exhaust. Wow. That fired right up. That was great. Well, should we just take a look at the air cleaner and then take it out for a spin? It stopped raining, so this looks fine. This looks fine. Yeah. Once it lets go, it's nice and dry. So yeah, I think we just let's take it outside and take it for a spin. Just see how it does. Let's have a go. See how it starts up again. And how it sounds when it gets full throttle. Wow. Apart from the whole machine rattling so bad, the engine sounds just perfect. But I really hope that smoke clears out. Now, let's give it the beans. It's only running at high idle. low will it go? That's the lowest it will go. It says quiet on the top of the engine, and that's not a lie. It is really quiet. It runs really good. I still get a smell of burning oil, but I think the exhaust has cleared it up a little bit. I've got some higher grass underneath the trampoline here, so I'm gonna have a go in here. I don't know if you can see anything, but I'm gonna have a try in here. You see anything here? No. No, that's bad. Here. Yeah, I'm gonna have a go at this tall grass. It's maybe 15 centimeters, 5 inches. Man down, man down. Man, I'm amazed. This really runs good. So, that was pretty uneventful. Now, since the engine runs so great, I don't think I'm gonna do anything mechanical to the engine. I just think I'm gonna blow it off with compressed air and maybe run a cloth across it to make it look a little bit better, and sharpen the knife and change the oil, and then she's good to go to another owner. It's almost a shame to sell it because I think it's run really good. I want to keep it, but I don't have a need for it. So yeah, a bit of cleaning and change the oil, and then that's pretty much it for this one, I think. It's looking a bit better, isn't it? I'm just gonna go take my time, clean it up a little bit better, and change the oil, and then on to the next thing. This is looking better, I think. I just use this universal spray and a cloth. Yeah, it will never be perfect when it's a 30-year-old machine or something like that, but I think it turned out really nice. So now it's just the oil. Maybe it was stupid to clean it before changing the oil, but the engine's still pretty warm. And then the blade. I don't know if I'm gonna show you anything of that. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the oil I drain out, and the rest you've seen before. So. Super black and looking really thin. It really doesn't smell that bad, burnt or gasoline, but it's looking fine apart from being really black. We can leave that to drain there and take a look at the blade meanwhile. Let me just okay. This was, I didn't tighten this, so actually it was running really good with a loose spark plug. Actually, it's looking okay. Yeah, maybe a quick touch up with the angle grinder, and that's it. Fresh oil, new sharpened blade, and a quick monkey shine. Yeah, it was really cheap, so yeah, I cannot complain about that. Yeah, there's no discoloration or stripes or anything foaming in the oil. It's just black and needed to be changed. There was some gasoline pissing out from being on its side, but that's to expect, right? The handlebars are mounted sort of floating. It's actually quite comfortable using this because the machine can just follow the contours of the earth while the handlebars are just, yeah, they're just floating. It's actually really comfortable and being so quiet. It's a shame it rattles so much, but I guess it was a really cheap machine back in the day, so yeah, I'm gonna put some fresh oil in it, and that's pretty much it. And then on to the next one, which is a Stiga SA45, I believe it is. That's coming up next. That or the garden tractor, if the slow boat from China eventually decides to show up with my rebuild kit for the Nicky carb. So it's just standing over here collecting dust meanwhile. Yeah. Well, this was it. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing and leaving a thumbs up or a comment. Yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice day.